Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here just with a project share of a couple more layouts that I was working on. Did these at a crop, and I used a Tim Holtz die, bird die, and I used a Spellbinders Tractors die for that, and some washi. So again, this goes with the previous pages that I was sharing in the album, which is a robotic type of theme. So again, the cogs and the wheels, just pulling it all together. Most of the pages have the same kind of theme on it. So I have some cogs, and then I misted the background with some Heidi Swap shine. I mean, not Heidi Swap shine, Heidi Swap color shine, and somehow I didn't get them on the pictures when I sprayed it, but I stuck this inside of my sheet protector while it was still wet. When I smeared it in there, it got on my pictures, which was defeated the whole purpose of covering up the pictures when I sprayed, and then stuck them in there while it was still wet, and so I still end up getting mist onto the pictures. So I just did a border with a strip of the B side of this paper and ripped it up here in the bottom. Well, actually I used my We Are Memory Keepers paper tear thing. Paper tear, and I put some washi under here, and these cogs are also Spellbinders die, and then and I just matted everything. The same thing over here. Again, these are Tim Holtz die, these are the Spellbinders Tractors die, and these are the Spellbinder cogs, and I sprayed that as well, misted that as well, and the same washi, and it just inked everything on this. So the first half of my album, none of the pages were inked, and so the rest of the half of the album will be inked. So that's my 2 pages, and I will show you a close-up. But I feel good that I actually got a lot of pages done before 2019, even though this is up in 2020, that I got done before 2019 was over with. Didn't meet my goal of 52 layouts, but I got like 20 some of them, so half. So I'm still keep that goal in 2020 to get 52 more layouts, because I did get into paper crafting to do layouts and stuff, so I want to get back into getting some of that stuff caught up. So hold on, I'll show you a little close up. You can see the color mist, the color shine. You can see the washi and the paper tearing and the inking. That's the first one, and that is the second one. Very simple and clean, even though it has a little bit of mixed media on it. It's still a very clean layout. Alright, so thanks for watching.